Bailey. Hello, this is my video. If you see a lump of hair in the corner, it's my cousin. Yeah, his name's Hunter. And back off. And this is my sister, Bailey.
Hi. It's a pleasure to see you guys.
Okay, she's all prim and proper and country. Now,
Mostly country.
everybody go into the living room and let me do the rest of this video. Now, I'm going to do this video, and I'm going to tell you guys, subscribe to Gingercast, and watch the video upcoming for me and my friend Austin, 3 Kid Schism. He's my best friend. I go to school with him, and I know you guys are still there. And yeah, if you guys just love watching my videos, which you don't because you think they're weird, I'll start doing top 10 lists. And that is basically the end of this video. Sorry it's so short. My cousins are annoying.